How to get bank statement on Scotiabank. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can get bank statement on Scotiabank. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, head towards the official website, that is scotiabank.com, and make sure to log in into your account. You can log in with your username and password. Then click on or tap on sign in. Once you're logged in, select the account, that may be checking or savings, which you want this statement for. After that, you have to find the statements. So scroll through the options. You will typically see eStatements, Documents, or Statements as a menu option. There, you have to choose the statement period next. Select the month or year that you want. Statements are usually available by month, so you can select the month. Once you're done, you can view the statement as a PDF. After that, you can also download it in your device or email to yourself for printing or sharing. So that is the way to get a bank statement on Scotiabank. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.